Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to start. First, connect the monitor with the appropriate cable and turn the display on. Once done, make sure the cable is seated and the monitor's input is set to the correct port. Next, open Settings and go to System, Display, or use Windows plus P for a quick projection menu. This gets you into Windows 11 display controls, where you'll tell the system how to use that second screen rather than just relying on physical detection. Now focus on detection and layout. In display settings, click Detect if Windows didn't automatically list the monitor. This forces a hardware check. Once both displays appear as tiles, drag them to match the physical arrangement so the mouse flows naturally across screens. Make sure to select which monitor is the main display to place the taskbar and primary apps. Then choose multiple displays, usually extend, so you have extra desktop space rather than mirror content. Finish by fine-tuning resolution and scaling for clarity. Each monitor may need different settings for optimal text size and sharpness. Apply changes and test by dragging windows between screens and running a full screen video or app. If the monitor still won't work, update or reinstall the graphics driver, try a different cable or port, and reboot both devices. One key tip: swapping cables or testing the monitor on another PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.